Good morning, good morning. It is my birthday. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. Today I'm turning 28 and I am starting the day with a Pilates class, which I'm very excited about. That was one of the gifts from my fiance a few weeks ago. He asked me what would my perfect day be, and my perfect birthday day be. And I said I would love to start the day with a Pilates class. So he got me actually a few Pilates classes. I'm very excited to go and do that. This is the outfit. That's very low. But this is the outfit. This tee is like very old from H&M. Leggings are from Aerie and Nike Air Forces and Uniqlo bag. And this is it. Ready to go do Pilates. So let's go. Just got back home from, it wasn't Pilates class, it was lagree, I think it is, which is very similar to Pilates, but it was so much fun. Kid you not, within 5 minutes I was sweating. I was very sweaty, so that was good. Like it really pushed me to do my best, and I can't wait to go back. But now I kind of want to do my nails because she's looking not great. I usually do them myself, and I don't want to do them just because I just want to be pampered, but I also don't want to go to a nail salon that I've never been to or got the service done and have it be bad. I want to do all that. So I think I'm just going to do them myself. Suck it up, do them myself, and call it a day.
We're just going to bounce some ideas off of you. No!
It's fine. She's been on the show forever.
Our nails are done. I did put a neutral by OPI, and I think it looks very pretty. It is cafecito time. It's the time of the day.
Cafecito!
I haven't had cafecito today.
Cafecito!
Yeah. But yesterday I made some pumpkin sauce to make pumpkin latte, and our future husband made us cafecito yesterday.
Cafecito!
Not yesterday. Yeah. He made us cafecito this morning, and so I'm just gonna froth a little bit of this. I need what? Not water. I need milk. I need milk.
You need some milk.
I truly. By the way, my tripod broke my small business event, so I have it standing up on a cup, which is why it's like cutting me off. But yeah.
You like that? Ew.
We're gonna add a little bit of milk. She's a little thick. Can you stop?
Cafecito!
Yeah, relax. Y tú también.
Good boy. Good only wants to say hi. He wants to say hi to the people. He wants to say hi to the people. Alright, enjoy your cafecito.
Change of plans. We are gonna have to go get baby boy after I make cafecito because today is early release day, and we gotta be a mom even on our birthdays. So I'll just do everything after I come back. Okay, I stacked another cup inside the cup. If y'all could see this, this is a little bit coconut. So this is my tripod at the moment. This cute little mug, Home Goods, and it comes with a lid and a straw. I don't think I'll be needing the lid today. Maybe I will, but we have our cafecito from our Greca. Love that. And then we're just gonna pour our pumpkin. Beautiful. I hope this is good because I just saw the recipe on TikTok and I made it. By itself, it tastes fantastic. I just don't know how it would taste with the coffee. I've never been like a Starbucks like fan of the whole shebang, but the thought of it sounded nice. And for final touch, I'm just gonna add a little bit of whipped cream. I know this is going to probably mess up my stomach, but that's okay. And there she is. So cute. All right, let's give it a little shaky, and then a little taste test. Wait, that's kind of good. Ooh, I like it. We do have to go, so I'm gonna put the lid on the cup. Get going before I'm late for pickup. And look how cute the cup is. Honestly, not even bothering to do a lot. Shoesies, bag, let's go. It is now a little bit much more later. I decided to skip on baseball practice for my son so I can take some pictures, some birthday pictures and content. I set up my backdrop and I'm gonna take quick pictures like I said, and then I'm gonna go do a reel / TikTok outside before the sun goes down, so we can post it. So what I'm wearing is what I have in my head for the pictures is just something super fun, super editorial. So all I really need is chest up, nothing crazy. So I'm literally wearing a blazer with shorts since you're not going to be seeing anything from down here. Shutting up and start taking them pics. This is actually a table, but I don't really have a chair, so we're gonna use this to sit down. And let me get my tripod for the camera. I do have this like ginormous tripod and it drives me crazy, but that's okay. All is well. The shorter one that I had broke, so I have to order a new one. I was gonna take the pictures with my phone, but I'll rather take them with my digital camera. We got our content done. Now we are making dinner, and by we I mean Dom and little boy. And on the menu we have pizza and cupcakes and cake.